Ha kejing yalang pat ba ke baning kong hadian kejing thombor kile no hapa halgam kabalapin yap hadu arpu prangut kibriu umentri rang ba du kari India Narendra Modi ulapin pau da kesurting halor keni kejing ja ulo ong ba ke India kala kloy ban le ban pin shitom mi ki badon kti ha keni ka kam le no bat kinong kershan jongki ha kejing yalang pat ba ke belalong ha Madhubani Bihar umudi ula keren ru da kektien pareng da ka boong ba minta kesngi na ka kendau jong ka Bihar nga ong ye kani chaka perthai barok kawe ke India kan ithu kan wan ban kan pinshitom yu uwe po uwe ule no bat kinong kershan jongki ngin sabe bat thwet iki wat chadu ka bakut jong ka perthai kani ka jingkren jong menteri rang ba du kalong kum ka jingkular ting na kalyang jong ka sarkar India bakin am ailat satya ikinu kinu kiriu le no ni kiriu kershan yaki ban lat na ka jing pinshitom.
Friends, today from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.